Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages, Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you with the mortgage and interest rate update, your weekly update. And unfortunately, most of the rates in the 2 years, 3 years, 4 and 5 year rates have changed. So let me share these with you right now. So good news, the 6-month fixed rate. And remember, these are the rates if you've got at least 20% deposit or 20% equity in your house. So 6 months is now 4.69. 1 year rate is unchanged, 4.49. 18 months is 4.45. Now this is where things have changed. So the 2 year rate, you're looking at rates between 4.51 to 4.69. 3 years, 4.81 to 5.09. So there's a bit of a spread there. And the 4 and 5 year rates, they're ranging from 5.09 to 5.34. So these are with pretty much all the big banks. So I'll share that with you there so you can see. So what does that mean? It means that the interest rates that I've been sharing with you over the last few weeks are no longer valid. They're changed and changing. So if you've been waiting to fix online and leaving it for the last minute, you would have noticed, wasn't so long ago with that 3 year rate, they were 4.75. So now it's gone from 4.75. There's a range from the banks, 4.85 to 5.09. And I suspect that'll keep going up. So make sure you don't leave it too long and that you speak with your trusted advisor so you can get the right advice, so you can do the right decision for you and your circumstances. It'll be interesting to see what's going to happen in February now, whether the rates, whether the OCR gets cut again. We had good GDP data today, so the economy is on the improve. Well, I don't know if the Reserve Bank will do any more cuts. They may do a cut to bring things back because, you know, the banks put up their rates quite swiftly. The Reserve Bank wasn't expecting the banks to put up their rates so soon after that announcement. They were expecting things to change towards the middle of next year. But who knows if they cut to bring things in line. But if they do, rates will eventually have to go back up to that neutral point of 3%. So the OCR will be going up during 2026. So, and maybe 2027 as well. It depends how much they do over 2026 and how that data looks like. The one thing we do know is also an election year next year, and it's still early, but it looks like Labour's slowly pulling ahead in some polls. If that continues, we know what happens. We've lived, for those of you that have lived in New Zealand long enough, you know what happens from going from National to Labour. Things slow down. Businesses don't spend as much. People worry. They panic, you know, that the sky's falling. It never does, because once Labour comes in, they just go nuts, spending everyone's money, and the economy starts booming again. And we worry about the bill later. But right now, guys, there's a lot of uncertainty and unknowns with interest rates. All we do know is I think that the low rates that I've been sharing with you for the last few months, they're history now and unlikely to go down that low again. We've turned that point, and now we're on the cycle of rates incrementally going up from here on in, and at any time. No one knows the timing. And if I did know that, well, I'd be pretty disappointed, because I'd rather wish I had the gift of picking the Powerball numbers rather than interest rate rises or declines. Anyway, guys, so that's it from me. We've had some clients still put in offers this week and have them successfully accepted. So that's good. For those of you that have missed out or are still waiting to hear, we're going to be cutting it fine, because come next Wednesday afternoon, everyone will be finishing for the year. I am around, so if you need any advice, feel free to contact me. Phone's always on, and I'm always happy to help. Anyway, we'll do some more videos during the next few weeks anyway. You won't be completely left alone, and I'll be giving you feedback with what's happening, with what I'm seeing and what's going on out there. In the meantime, thank you for watching me all this time, all this year. Let's grab that list again, because I put it down. Oh, better put it the right way so you can see. That's what's happening. You might have to hold it to the mirror to see. And yeah, thanks for all your support this year. Thanks for all your kind words. And thank you for your business, more importantly, because that keeps the lights on at Bosanoff Mortgages and allows us to provide you with this continuing good service. In the meantime, God bless, ka kite, and I hope the weather is warmer and less windy where you are.